Last season's beaten finalists and current league leaders Waterhouse ended a two-game winless run after clipping Tivoli Gardens 1-0 in midweek action in the Red Stripe Premier League at the Edward Seaga Sports Complex on Thursday. Stephen Williams scored the lone goal of the game in the 42nd minute. In what was a temperamental affair, Tivoli's technical director Glendon Admiral Bailey was ejected after a confrontation with the match officials. With the win, Waterhouse moved up to 37 points to be 3 points clear of second-placed Mount Pleasant, while Tivoli Gardens remain in 9th on 21.
Truth be told, it was a very tough game for us today. Tivoli came out very physical, but we managed to win the game 1-0. Yeah, I mean, we are happy for that breathing room, but we were never worried about that. It's about 9 months of football. We just have to keep our head together and be focused and continue to play good football, and that's what we did today.
Well, first and foremost, you can see it take a toll is on us because of the back-to-back game them. So it was just one of those games today that we just have to just put behind us and focus and come again for Sunday game.
Action continues in the Red Stripe Premier League on Sunday with 5 fixtures.